Now friends, we are looking two sums here. Exercise 2.3, it's question number 2. Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. यानी हमको चेक करना है कि जो फर्स्ट वाला है दूसरे का फैक्टर है कि नहीं है. Here we write first the division method here. First we write here 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12, and here we write t square plus 0t minus 3. Write the polynomial in a descending power of t. 4, 3, 2, 1 and t raised to 0, t raised to 2, t raised to 1, t raised to 0. First term divided by first term कैसे करना है friends? 2t upon t cut, so here is remaining 2t square. 2t square into t square, 2t raised to 4. 2t square into 0, 0t cube. 2t square into 3 minus 6t square minus 6t square. Here minus plus, this term be cut. Here we write plus 3t cube. The simplify of these two, 6 के आगे प्लस 2 के आगे माइनस, राइट द साइन ऑफ प्लस 6 minus 2 40 square. We take here minus 90. First term divided by first term. First term divided by first term. 3t upon tt cut. Here is remaining 3t. This 3t multiplying with all these three terms, positive 3t into t square, positive 3t cube, 3t into ये तो 0 है, 0t square, 8 टैप है ही नहीं, 3t into minus 3 minus 90, here minus plus एक कट. a3t के आगे प्लस है, a3t के आगे माइनस है, here 40 है तो 0 ही है, so we write here 4t cube. 90 के आगे माइनस, 90 के आगे प्लस, this term will be cut. 0t या 0, we take here minus 12. First term divided by first term divided by first term. 4t upon tt cut. Here is remaining only 4. Now these 4 multiply with all these three terms plus 40 square, t into 0t, 0, t into minus 3 minus 12, minus plus. 40 स्क्वायर के आगे प्लस 40 स्क्वायर के आगे माइनस एक कट, 12 के आगे माइनस 12 के आगे प्लस एक कट, 0 0 0. We can see here the remainder is 0, so we can say t square minus 3 is a factor of it. Here as the remainder is 0, so we can say t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t raised to 4 minus plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. So this is the answer. Now we solve the second sum here. Also we have to check here. First we write the greater power polynomial in this inside and the smaller power polynomial here outside. 3x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. We write here x square plus 3x plus 1. Now first term divided by first term 3x x upon x का 3x यानी 3x square 3x square into x square क्या करना है फ्रेंड्स फर्स्ट टर्म डिवाइड बाय फर्स्ट term divided by first term the answer which is remaining here we write it on the question 3x square into x square 3x raised to 4 3x square into 3x plus 9x cube 3x square into 1 plus 3x square change the sign here minus एक कट 5 के आगे प्लस 9 के आगे माइनस बड़े का साइन बड़े में से छोटे को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो do the sign of the greater number different sign subtraction 9 minus 5 4x cube 7 के आगे minus 3 के आगे minus we write here minus 7 plus 3 10x square we take here plus 2x first term divided by first term minus 4x upon x curve. Here is remaining minus 4x. Minus 4x into x square. Minus 4x into x square. Minus 4x cube. Minus 4x into 3x. Minus 12x square. Minus 4x into plus 1. Negative, positive. Negative 4x. And whenever you write, keep attention properly. If one sign will be wrong, the sum is gone. ध्यान रखो प्लस 4x क्यूब के आगे माइनस इसके आगे प्लस एक और ए नहीं देखना है 10 के आगे माइनस 12 के आगे प्लस बड़े का साइन राइट द साइन ऑफ द ग्रेटर नंबर do subtraction of these two numbers because the sign are different 12 minus 10 2x square similar 2 के आगे प्लस 4 के आगे प्लस write the sign of the greater number 4 plus 2 6x we take here plus 2 first term divided by first term 2xx upon xx curve here is remaining 2 so we write here 2 this is a rough form ये करना है नहीं करेंगे तो भी चलेगा now these two multiply with these three terms 2 into x square 2x square 2 into 3 plus 6x 2 into 1 plus 2 minus cut 0 0 0 so as the remainder is 0 so we can say x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of 3x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So This is the answer. It's very easy and very simple. Enjoy this, some friends. Thank you very much.